Hey you guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. So I got my hair pre-braided because I'm about to put some lock into it, and this is what it looks like so far. This took me about 2.5 hours to do, and for the locks that I'm gonna be putting in, the size is just perfect. The hair I'm gonna be using today is from Hot Braid, and you might be wondering why I have two bags, but that's because they sent me the lock and they also sent me the hair that I'm gonna be using to attach the lock into my hair. So this is what the locks look like. This is a bundle of it. Of course, I'm gonna show you a single piece, but this is some boho lock. As you can see, got the boho here on it. So that's what I'm gonna be putting in. With the hair, I got my little packet with crochet needle, comb, brush, and all that good stuff. And this is the hair that I'm gonna be using to lock the lock in, or attach the lock, or wrap the lock, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about when I start doing it. But they sent me 2 packs of it, and this is also human hair, so it's perfect to use with the lock hair because the lock hair is human hair as well. And this is a bag that they sent me. I definitely use it to keep my hair in after I took it out. I do have another one from them that I sometimes take to the store. This is how much hair I'm going to be using to wrap the lock so it could look as real as possible. And this is one of the pieces of lock that I'm going to be putting in. So I'm just showing you guys up front what one piece look like. It has about 3 pieces of boho hair on it. Guys, this is how I attach the hair. I put the crochet needle through that little loop on it, and then I pull my hair through it. After I do that, then I'm gonna put my hair, or pull my hair through the roots of my own hair. So I'm gonna make like a loop around the what is it called, the lock. Yeah, I'm gonna make a loop around that loop that's on the lock, so that will kind of hold it in. But that's not all I'm gonna do to hold it in. Now I'm gonna pull this piece of hair through the root of my hair, and I'm gonna make one side longer than the other. And I know it might look like it's hard to hook onto the crochet needle, but if you pull it, enough to where it looks like kind of thin, like a piece of string, then it'll be easy to hook onto the crochet needle and pull right through. I'm not gonna lie, for the very first one, I did not do it as good as I did the rest of them because I believe this is my very first time doing this. So I realized that I twist this one the opposite way from I should have twisted, and that's what made it harder. As you can see, it looks like I'm struggling right there to do it, and I really was struggling to do it. But you wait on and see when I start doing the rest of them. I'm gonna be doing it like a pro. So what I'm doing here is I'm just wrapping that piece of hair around the roots of the hair that I added in, and I'm just wrapping it all the way down until this piece of hair is finished. And that is what's gonna keep the lock in, and it's gonna look like it's a part of the lock the way how I'm doing it, even though I wasn't doing it like I said how I'm gonna be doing the rest of them, which is a little bit easier because I'm gonna be wrapping it in the right direction. I should be wrapping it in where my thumb finger is gonna be helping me. I still think it came out so good. As you can see, I absolutely love it, and I feel like every single one I did up until like the 4th or 5th one, I was celebrating just like that, or look, very proud of myself. I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one, and like I said, by the second one I was a pro, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead again and pull my hair through the crochet, through the it's crochet here, through the crochet here slash lock, and then I'm gonna pull the next end of the hair through the root like you see me doing here. And each one of these took me about a minute to do, and I think I had like, I'm not even sure how much I had in my hair, but I'll try to find out for you guys. But yeah, they took me like about a minute each to do. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pull that piece of hair through that I'm gonna be using to wrap the hair. I should also note that this was a little bit more challenging to take out of my hair, more than anything else that I've been doing with my hair so far. But it was worth it. The style looks so good, so it definitely was worth it. So now you guys, you're gonna notice that I start twisting it the other way, and my thumb finger is gonna come into play and start helping me. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. So now I'm an actual pro. I know what I'm doing, and I figure out, I figure out the way of doing it to make it go faster. And so this is the way I start doing it, and let me tell you, man, they went by so quick after that. I mean, do y'all see how quick I finished this one compared to the one before it? Yes, and I was happy again, just like last time. And like I said, for the next two more or so, same way. I'm gonna be so happy and so proud of myself. And here I'm doing the little shimmy, 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 yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Anyway, enough of that. Back to work, as we got about 11 more to do. No, maybe more than 11 more, but we got work to do. So we're gonna go ahead and do some more. I'm gonna do one more in slow motion so you guys could see again, just in case you didn't get it, what I'm doing. So as you can see, I put my hair through the loop of the crochet here, and then I grab the end of my hair and pull it back to the root of my hair. Now that little piece that I have left over, I just fold it down, you know what I mean? And now I'm gonna attach the little piece of human hair that I'm gonna be using to wrap. And I'm just showing you guys how I get it nice and thin, so it could easily go onto the crochet needle. So one more time, I'm gonna push the crochet needle through the root of my hair, and I'm gonna grab that piece of hair and pull it through the root. And I gotta have one side, longer than the other side. That's just how I do it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping it, and that's what's gonna hold it in and also give it that Faux Loc look. And no, it's not gonna come out, it's not gonna unravel. Just keep wrapping it like that until there's no hair left. Like if there's a really thin piece left, just keep wrapping it, and that is what's gonna keep it from unraveling. Now I'm gonna speed it up, and I'm only gonna be doing the front on camera. I'm gonna do the back of it off camera, but I'm still gonna let you guys watch me do the front of it and see how I get through it.
You wash away the pain. We'll be running side by side till we cross the finish line. Oh, the love we have is real, and in time your heart will heal. Since there's no sunshine, just let's go running in the rain. All the love we have is true. Don't you know that it's true? There is something special in you. Oh, I know. So come rain or shine, I'll be by your side. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be running with you, rain or shine. Let's go running in the rain.
all done with the fronts, you guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the back off camera, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, you guys, we are back, and I'm gonna quickly do my edges because I left them out on purpose so I could brush them down.
Let's go running in the rain. I've been there and back again. I know how to fix a heart.
Here we go, you guys. This is the finished look, and I have about 51 individual locks in my hair. This is what the back look like, and it's not heavy. It looks nice and full, but yeah, it is not heavy at all. And I realized it wasn't even that hard to put it up in a bun when I tried doing that. Overall, I must say I really love this style. I love the hair. I love the way it came out. And if you guys are interested in getting this hair for yourself, I will leave all the information down below in the description box so you could easily find it. And this hair is their boho lock crochet hair. Again, the hair is from Hot Braids, and I will leave their information down below so you could easily find it. Thank you again, you guys, for your continuous support. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, I appreciate you coming by, and I hope you will stick around for more videos like this. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.